Here we will see how to create multiple bar charts. So first we will write the import statements. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Next we will write import numpy as np. Okay, now we will create two ranges, a equal to within square brackets 2, 4, 6, 8. Done. Again we will create another range b equal to within square brackets we will write 2.8, 3.5, 6.5, 7.7. Okay, so these are the two ranges we have created. Now x equal to np dot a range, then what we will take, the length of a, that means len within bracket we will write a. So what will be the length of a? 4. So we will get a range of values up to the length of a, means up to the length of 4. Okay, so this one we have created. Now plt dot bar x comma a comma color equal to, within single quotes we will write red, then width 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 equal to 0.35. okay, now we will press Ctrl and enter. Again plt dot bar x plus 0.35 comma b, this will be the bar b, comma color equal to, within single quotes, what color will give, blue, blue blue, then comma width width equal to 0.35. Done. Control enter. Finally plt dot show. Oh, some mistake I have done. This will be, wait, so this will be small b because we have created small b. Okay, now we will press enter. So this is our graph with multiple bar chart. Okay, one more example we will see. Suppose we have given val equal to, so here we will pass all the list, 5 point, 25 point, 45 point, 20 point, bracket close, 4 point, 23 point, 49 point, 17 point, bracket close, 6 point, 22 point, 47 point, 19 point, again bracket close. Okay, so we'll press enter. Next, x equal to np dot a range 4, so we'll get 4 values. Okay, then press enter. plt dot bar x plus 0.00 val 0 means the first list, val 0, color, color equal to B, comma width equal to 0.25. We'll press Ctrl and enter. PLT dot bar, then x plus 0.25 comma val 0 means what? The second list. Val of 1 means the second list, comma color equal to z, comma width equal to 0.25. okay, bracket close, Control and enter. PLT dot bar, bracket start, x plus 0.50, because this time 0.25 will be added 2 times, comma val of 2 means the third list, comma color equal to, we will give red, r, comma width which equal to 0.25, bracket close. Here I have not closed the bracket close. Okay, again Control and enter. PLT dot show. So let us see. So this is our bar chart with multiple bars. Done. So in this way you can do. So here for the first width is 0.25, then for the second every time 0.25 is added, again 0.25 plus 0.25 means, since it will be added 2 times, it is 0.50. okay, now to create horizontal bar chart, let us see what we can do. So we'll write cities equal to Delhi, comma Mumbai, comma Bangalore, comma Hyderabad, single quote close, bracket close. Okay, then we'll press Ctrl and enter. Population equal to, so here we will write 234523456 123, comma 20083183104, comma 1841845656123, comma 134111093, then again bracket close, Control and enter. Next we will write PLT dot bar, since we want horizontal bars, so within bracket cities, cities, comma population, bracket close, Control and enter. Now here you have to be careful while you are renaming the labels. Now since it is a horizontal graph, cities will come in the horizontal pattern and population in vertical pattern. So what you have to write? PLT dot y label, within bracket, within single quotes, you have to write cities. Okay, cities, cities. Again Control and enter. This will be PLT. Okay, so PLT dot x label. Now x label will give vertical values, x label, x label. Then what we will write? Population. Okay, then finally Control and enter. PLT dot show. Press enter. So here you can see cities have come in the Y level and population have come in the X level, and since we have used VARH, it has shown the horizontal bar graph. Okay, so this is very easy and simple. Next, let us see one example for adding a title for your simple bar, for your bar chart. How you can add a title. Okay, so let us take one example. X equal to np dot a range, within bracket we have given 4, then enter. Y equal to, within bracket, 5 point comma 25 point comma 45 point comma 20 point. Okay, so here in this way you have created the list or the array for Y. Press enter. Now plt dot bar, within bracket X comma Y, bracket close, control enter. plt dot titla, title. So here we will write a simple bar chart, a simple bar chart. Then again control and enter. plt dot show. Let us see how it works. So here you can see the title, a simple bar chart has come. Okay, so that's all for today's practical. Thank you.